Welcome viewers! In this video, we'll be looking at several intense moments from the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. We start with a fortunate moment. A Ukrainian soldier literally got a second chance at life when an FPV drone targeting him failed to detonate. He was hiding under a water tank as the drone approached, but luckily its propeller was damaged, causing it to crash to the ground. Next, a lone Russian soldier was moving across the battlefield when he encountered an FPV drone. He tried to fight it off with his rifle, but couldn't do much, and was eventually caught by the drone. In a close combat encounter, Russian troops stormed a Ukrainian position and captured several soldiers. Soon after, Ukrainian forces launched a counterattack, cleared the dugout, freed their comrades, and neutralized the Russian troops. This event took place in the Donetsk region. In another instance, Russian forces used smoke grenades to conceal their advance and hide a motorcycle assault. However, things went wrong when they ran into a burned-out car blocking the road. The first motorcycle hit it head-on, the second narrowly avoided it, while the third and fourth also collided with it. Moving on, Ukrainian troops traveling in a Kirpi armored vehicle came under attack from a Russian FPV drone that struck the front hood, igniting a fire. The soldiers quickly abandoned the vehicle and scattered into the woods. As they tried to shoot down incoming drones, another FPV struck the vehicle, completely destroying it. This Bradley IFV was perhaps the luckiest on the battlefield. Russian forces launched multiple drone strikes, yet all of them failed. One Molniya drone fell unexploded near the vehicle. Another crashed nearby, and even the drone filming the attack struck the IFV, bounced off, and crash-landed. The vehicle was deployed near the village of Dorozhnoye as part of a Ukrainian counterattack. In another striking scene, a local resident in Makhachkala shot down a Ukrainian kamikaze drone using his Saiga 12-gauge shotgun. The drone was reportedly targeting oil facilities and was flying low on its final approach. Elsewhere, Ukrainian forces carried out a drone strike on a Russian airfield using Ram-2X kamikaze drones. Two light aircraft were hit at the Korsak airfield in the Zaporizhzhia region, roughly 80 kilometers from the front line. The aircraft were reportedly stationed there to intercept incoming kamikaze drones. In another clip, a soldier can be seen clearing a trench with a shortened PKM machine gun. The barrel was modified to make it more effective in close-quarters combat. To cut off Ukrainian troop mobility, Russian forces struck a bridge over the Seversky Donets River in the settlement of Regorodok. An FAB-3000 bomb hit the bridge with impressive accuracy, a remarkable feat given the small target area. The bridge was completely destroyed and rendered unusable. As a defensive measure, Ukrainian troops damaged an ammonia pipeline to slow the advance of Russian forces about 2.5 kilometers east of Rusin Yar in the Donetsk People's Republic. The explosion released residual ammonia after the pipeline was mined. In another sequence, Russian wire-guided FPV drones targeted Ukrainian vehicles hidden in a forest. One drone locked onto a Humvee as a soldier desperately tried to shoot it down. The driver attempted to escape, but ran directly into the path of the incoming drone. Moments later, another FPV hit a nearby pickup truck. Speaking of Humvees, a Ukrainian Humvee was spotted fitted with spiked armor on its roof and sides. These spikes are designed to catch or pre-detonate incoming drones, greatly improving the vehicle's survivability. Finally, a Russian drone operator targeted a Bodana self-propelled wheeled gun at its firing position in the Kharkiv region. The footage shows the gun actively firing when the first FPV drone struck its mount, disabling it. The operator then launched a second FPV, this time aiming for the fuel tank, knowing it would ignite the vehicle.